Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the science behind using coffee grounds in gardening and whether they can truly make your plants grow faster. Coffee grounds have become a popular gardening trick, praised for their potential to enrich soil and repel pests. But how effective are they? Stick around to find out how to use coffee grounds effectively and the hidden benefits they offer for your garden. Make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth gardening insights and tips. 1. Nutrient boost for soil. When it comes to boosting soil nutrients, coffee grounds can be a subtle but valuable addition. While not a full fertilizer on their own, they do contain nitrogen, which is crucial for plant growth, as well as smaller amounts of potassium and phosphorus. These nutrients release slowly as the grounds break down, which helps maintain a steady nutrient flow to the plants. However, relying solely on coffee grounds for rapid growth isn't enough, as they need to be part of a broader fertilizing plan. Integrating them with a complete fertilizer or organic compost creates a balanced nutrient mix that truly enriches the soil. 2. Improves soil texture. Adding coffee grounds to soil can significantly enhance soil texture, especially for clay or compacted soils. When mixed properly, coffee grounds help create an airy, crumbly structure in the soil, which improves water drainage and root penetration. This improved texture can make it easier for roots to spread, absorb water, and access nutrients more effectively. In turn, healthier root systems mean stronger, more resilient plants. However, applying too many grounds can lead to soil compaction, so it's best to blend coffee grounds with other organic materials for an optimal texture. 3. Coffee grounds and pH levels. Contrary to popular belief, used coffee grounds have a near-neutral pH level, despite coffee itself being acidic. This means that adding coffee grounds to your soil won't drastically alter its acidity, making them safe for a wide variety of plants. For those looking to increase soil acidity for plants like blueberries, additional amendments may be necessary, such as sulfur or pine needles. However, coffee grounds help maintain a stable pH, supporting a balanced environment for most garden plants. Regularly testing your soil's pH before and after introducing coffee grounds can help you tailor the soil conditions to your plant's needs. This way, coffee grounds support healthy growth without disrupting the natural pH balance of the soil. 4. Attracts beneficial earthworms. Earthworms are essential allies in the garden, and coffee grounds help attract these helpful creatures. By consuming the organic matter in coffee grounds, earthworms contribute to soil health through aeration and nutrient recycling. As they burrow, earthworms improve soil structure, making it more accessible for roots and allowing for better water flow. They also produce nutrient-rich castings, which enhance soil fertility and improve plant growth. Coffee grounds serve as an ideal food source, encouraging earthworms to thrive and stay active in your garden. With a healthy earthworm population, your soil becomes a nutrient-rich habitat that supports resilient, vigorous plant growth over time. 5. Repels pests naturally. Coffee grounds contain caffeine, which can act as a natural pest deterrent for certain insects and garden pests. Studies have shown that caffeine may repel pests like slugs and snails, which can be harmful to young plants. The smell of coffee grounds may also keep ants and other unwanted insects away, making them a safer alternative to chemical pesticides. However, while some gardeners swear by coffee grounds for pest control, it's important to note that effectiveness can vary depending on the pest type. Used as part of a broader pest management strategy, coffee grounds can add an extra layer of protection while keeping your garden environmentally friendly and chemical-free. 6. Potential to suppress weeds. Coffee grounds can act as a mild mulch, helping to prevent weed seeds from sprouting by blocking sunlight and slowing their growth. When sprinkled around plants, coffee grounds form a thin barrier on the soil surface, potentially reducing weed spread. However, using coffee grounds alone may not be enough for complete weed control. Combining coffee grounds with other mulch materials, like leaves or straw, creates a more effective barrier against weeds. This layered approach not only blocks weeds but also retains soil moisture and adds nutrients as the organic matter decomposes. With this method, coffee grounds become part of a comprehensive weed management system, supporting a cleaner, healthier garden environment. 7. Slows down soil moisture loss. Coffee grounds, when used as a top mulch layer, help retain soil moisture by reducing evaporation. This moisture retention can be particularly helpful during dry spells or in gardens that receive a lot of direct sunlight. By covering the soil surface, coffee grounds create a thin barrier that conserves water, ensuring that plants have a consistent moisture supply. However, applying too much can block water from reaching the soil, so it's best to spread them in moderation. Mixing coffee grounds with compost or other organic matter can further enhance water retention. This approach provides plants with the moisture stability they need for steady, healthy growth, especially during hot seasons. 8. Limited impact on plant growth speed. While coffee grounds bring some benefits, they're unlikely to drastically accelerate plant growth on their own. Grounds provide some nutrients, improve soil texture, and can deter certain pests, but they aren't a miracle grow formula. Rather than expecting quick results, think of coffee grounds as part of a long-term soil enhancement strategy. When combined with compost, fertilizer, and other soil amendments, coffee grounds support a balanced, healthy soil that promotes steady growth. Coffee grounds shine as part of a holistic gardening plan, contributing to a fertile environment that supports resilience and gradual growth over time, rather than rapid acceleration. 9. Risk of overuse. Moderation is essential when using coffee grounds in the garden. Too many coffee grounds can lead to compaction, reducing soil aeration, and potentially stunting plant growth. High caffeine levels can also harm some plants, especially young or sensitive species. By using small amounts and thoroughly mixing them with other organic materials, you can prevent these negative effects. Coffee grounds are best used as a supplement rather than a primary soil amendment, enriching soil in balance with other elements. Monitoring how your plants respond can help you find the right amount, ensuring that coffee grounds contribute positively without risking soil health or plant vitality. 10. Combining coffee grounds with compost. Adding coffee grounds to compost is one of the best ways to use them, enhancing the compost nitrogen content and accelerating decomposition. When blended with a mix of green and brown materials, coffee grounds create a nutrient-dense compost that can transform garden soil. This compost, rich in organic matter, helps plants by supplying a balanced set of nutrients, improving soil structure, and supporting microbial health. Composting also eliminates the caffeine that could harm plants, making the mixture completely safe for use. By adding coffee grounds to your compost pile, you create a sustainable and powerful soil amendment that benefits plant growth and soil health comprehensively. Thanks for joining us. Now that you know the ins and outs of using coffee grounds in your garden, you can decide if they're right for your plants. If you found these insights helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant care advice. See you next time, where we'll share more ways to elevate your gardening game naturally.